Hello everyone, welcome to Yocket's YouTube channel where you learn about career success through getting into top university. In this video, I'll be sharing valuable insights on how a profile is evaluated by the admission committee of the university, plus the most awaited question, which universities can you apply to with this profile? We will cover different scenarios each time. In today's video, I will be evaluating a profile of a student named Raza Khan. Raza Khan has done his undergrad in computer science and is planning to pursue his master's degree in computer science itself. He has a CGPA of 7.9, GRE of 310 and an IELTS score of 7. The student also has 2 backlogs with no work experience and no research papers at all. So this student is looking forward to go for fall 2025 intake. So now I will be giving certain insights on how he can build his profile to get into some good universities in USA, as the student is aiming for USA as his country. Looking at his profile, I feel that there are certain gaps in his profile which he can build over the duration of few months right now, as he can look into working into certain companies or doing an internship which will help him to build his profile in computer science itself. The student should also look for a certain kind of a specialization because his undergrad degree was from computer science. Now, apart from this, what can the student look into? The student can also build his profile probably looking for certain research papers or doing some projects and publishing them on accounts like GitHub. Another advisable thing that Raza Khan can probably do is to look for certain certification aspects that can help him to build his profile. Now the gaps that has been mentioned are something that most of you guys may incur or may have in your profile. Not necessary that all the gaps will be eligible for all of y'all. So you need to look into your profile in depth and look into it properly to move ahead with it. Now apart from this, the thing that I feel more important that Raza can really look into is retaking his GRE exam, as the GRE score for Raza is only 310. If he aims to get a 315 or 318, the chances of him getting into certain good university increases, as some universities do accept backlogs and they do not really look into backlogs as a major hindrance. Apart from this, the documentation that Raza is going to present to the university, to the admission committee, needs to be in alignment with the goal that he has in his mind. Also needs to be in alignment with the course that he is looking to, which is computer science. One thing that he really can highlight on his profile is the specialization that he is looking forward to and the kind of activities and things that he has done to build his profile in that direction. Now coming to the universities that Raza Khan can probably get into, I'm just going to help out with 3 universities that probably he can look into. Not necessary, the admits are confirmed for the same. The universities that Raza can look into are SUNY Buffalo, Indiana University Bloomington, Stevens Institute of Technology. These are few universities that I would suggest Raza to apply to. But apart from this, if you would like to know more on the universities, you can go to our website and check out the College Finder tool over there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, drop down any questions or queries that you have so that we can cover it next time. Until then, goodbye.